This is Ejaz Sir's Maths Academy and I am Ansar Sir. Let us solve example number 12.5 given in our textbook on page number 208. See the question. Resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 mm, what will be the resistivity of the metal at that temperature? Okay. Using table 12.2, predict the material of the wire. This is the question. Okay, now I will write down the given data from the question. See, the question says resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter. So length of the wire is 1 meter. I have written length to be 1 meter. Then is resistance is 26 ohms. So resistance is 26 ohms. It is given. Okay. The third thing that they have given is they have given the temperature, but it is useless here. There is no use of the temperature. So the diameter of the wire is 0.3 millimeter. So we can convert it into 0.3 millimeter. We have to change it to radius because we will need radius. So radius will be 0. This is 0. Let us write it again. Diameter is 0.30 mm. 0.3 can be written as 0.30 mm. So we can say radius will be 0.15 millimeters. But since length is given in meters, the radius also must be in meters so that the units will be the same. So let us convert this millimeter into meters. And do you know how do we convert millimeter into meter? By dividing by 1000. Now it has become meter. And do you know why we have converted to meter? Because the length is taken in meter, so radius also must be in meter. All things should be in the same SI units. Okay, so now what else is given? We have to find the resistivity of the material. We have to find the resistivity of the metal. Okay, see how we are going to solve it. What is the formula for resistivity? We have studied. I am explaining the background. You don't use this background while solving. You directly will use the formula. We know resistance is directly proportional to length of the wire. Resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. So both can be united and we can write resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area of cross section. So whenever we remove, this is 1. Whenever we remove proportionality sign, we need a constant. So here this constant is called the resistivity of the material of the wire. This letter is called rho, R-H-O. It is a Greek letter, rho. Just as R denotes resistivity, R denotes resistance. Similarly, rho denotes resistivity, L denotes length, A denotes area of cross section. So we will use, now if we rearrange this, so we get rho is equal to R into A upon L. If we rearrange this, so you will not start your answer from here, you will start from here. This is solution. Resistivity is equal to rho into R, rho is equal to R into A upon L. So we can write rho is equal to resistance into area. Do you know what area means here? Area means if this is a wire, if this is a piece of wire, this is the radius of the wire. You know the diameter is given in the question. So it is diameter of cross section. So this is the radius of cross section of the wire. And what will be the area of this wire? This area of cross section. So area of cross section will be pi r square. So here instead of area we are writing pi r square divided by length. See, radius is in meter, length also is in meter. That's why we converted both into meters. So R, resistivity rho is equal to R. How much is R? It is given to be 26. Pi, let us take the value to be 3.14 into R square. This is the most difficult thing. R is 0.15 upon 1000 and its square divided by length is 1 meter. It's very easy. So rho is equal to 26 into 3.14. So it is 3.14 multiplied by 26. 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. 6 3s are 18 into 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So it becomes 8 plus 8, 16. 1, 8 to 10, 11 and 6 plus 2, 8. 81.64. So it will be 81.64 into, what is the square of 0.15? It will become 15 का square कितना होता है 225. Decimal is after 2 digits, so it will become after 4 digits, so it will be 0.0225 upon 1000 का भी square करना पड़ेगा. 1000 has 3 zeros. After squaring we will get 6 zeros. 3 zeros will become 6 zeros divided by 1. So this one is useless, is equal to 81.64 into 0.0225 divided by 10 lakh. This is 6 zeros. So it is, if we multiply the numerator, we get 81.6 into this value. So this value will become 1.84 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.84 upon 10 raised to power 6. You know 10 lakh can be written as 10 raised to power 6. Now we can write rho is equal to 1.84 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6, because it is in denominator 10 raised to power 6. If it comes in the numerator, it will become 10 raised to power minus 6, according to the laws of indices. And what is the SI unit of resistivity? It should be ohm meter. This is our simple solution. In the textbook, they have solved it so much directly, that students find it difficult to understand. I have solved it step by step for your convenience. And if we check the value in the table given on page number, if we check the value in the table 12.2, we find that this metal is manganese. This value is given for manganese. Okay, so hope you understood it. Very good. Thank you.